Welcome to Industrial Instrumentation Triple tutorials, and today we have come with very interesting topic, which is PV, SV and MB. This is the common topic which is generally asked in an interview. So if you are going for any interview, then this may be asked. But sometimes the student always think that these are the terms are very difficult. So now one by one we will explain and also with some example. So what is process variable? The actual measured value from a sensor or transmitter. Like if you have temperature transmitter, so what it is sensing through RTD or thermocouple, it is the actual measured value. Okay, so this is the process variable. Now what is the set value, set point? So the target value which you want to process to be, like if your temperature process value is 72 but your target temperature is 75, means higher than your process value. So this is the set point what you want. Now, the third point or third terms is very important, manipulated variable. The output signal sent to the final control element, which is the control wall or on-off wall, to bring the PV closer to SP. Means your PV is 72 and your set point is 75, then the basic difference is 3 degree. So MB, what does MB? MB is to do something in the final control element so that the difference between PV and SP can be closed. So if increasing the heater power, the value of the PV value will be similar to the set point. So this is the main function of the manipulated variable. If we take the example, PV is 72, set point is 75, means it's our target, it's a current value. What our controller will do, controller will increase the MB value, means heater power, until PV reaches SV. So this is the one example. Now, if in a summary we can say the very simple language, PV is what you have, SV what you want, means set point what you want, and MB how you get there, means how you match SV and PV. Now we have explained PV, SV and MB. And if you are new on our YouTube channel, then please like and subscribe this YouTube channel so that we can upload a more and more video on industrial instrumentation. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end.